Okay, this is my tiny i3 that is not done yet. It's still a work in progress, but I wanted to post some of what I've got done so far. This is my attempt at making a very small portable printer. Not going to win any speed races, not going to win any size contests either, but it is what I wanted, which was a small printer that I could take with me. So I have an acrylic bed, and let's see, it's only, I think, 80 by 110 and 80 tall. So that is what I'm working with for my bed size. It's made out of MakerBeam XL extrusions. These are 15 millimeter extrusions. I'm using thin NEMA 17s to keep the size down and make it more compact. They're a little gutless, but they work fine for my application. Pretty much every motor mount is designed by me and 3D printed. Got a lead screw on the back here for the Z-axis, ramps 1.4 mega Arduino, and a standard ramps or a E3D hot end clone. So that is what I've got so far. I've got my cooling fan. I just got that installed last week. I don't yet have my end stops in place, which I'm going to add some optical end stops. Just your standard extruder, nothing fancy here. So there's really nothing fancy about it at all. The only feature to it that I always put on my printers is that I like to have a magnetic bed on these so I can easily remove the bed to scrape my print off. So I've got my leveling feet right there. I've got magnets epoxied to the leveling feet, and then this piece of acrylic, I've got magnets I drilled into them and epoxied magnets on that as well. So it's super easy to just take the bed on and off, and it's really solid, doesn't go anywhere. I can print down to 50 microns with this, just barely, but I can do it. But quality is pretty good for what it is, and hopefully I can make some progress on this shortly.